What the business is, ladies and gentlemen, we back with another YouTube video. Today we reacting to a car crash turns into an officer's worst nightmare. Hopefully, like the last, I'm not gonna say the last video, the other video we did like be too bad, but we about to find out. Make sure y'all hit that like and that subscribe button, and like I always say, go in the comment section, let me know how y'all feeling, how y'all day was, how y'all night was, whatever. But let's get into this video.
Five friends were rounding a curve at a high rate of speed on Willow Street in Lansing, Michigan, where the posted speed limit is 25 miles per hour.
Damn.
The driver lost control and crashed into a tree, igniting the vehicle and endangering the lives of the trapped teens inside.
Damn. Seems a bit. What?
Officer Turvo arrived a mere 3.5 minutes after the crash. What he found would stay with him forever.
Don't let it be someone he knows.
Do me a favor, get back. Get back. Hey, can you move? I need you to get out of the car. Come on, get out of the car. Come on. Come on. Vehicle's on fire. I need you to get out. Get out. Yes, there's somebody on both sides.
He talking about, come on, get out. I don't think he can. He can get out.
Four people in the car.
Four?
There's four in the car. I'm trying to get them out. Come on.
Man, 4 people is crazy. So it was 4 people in the backseat and one in. Wait, oh, probably because of the wreck. That's how.
Can you open the door for me?
It's probably jammed. Ooh.
The faces of juveniles were redacted in compliance with the William Van Regenmoorder Crime Victims' Rights Act.
Come on. Come on. That's fine. Come on. 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 Yeah, I know.
Oh damn. So probably okay. I'm sorry, y'all. I was
There's still a driver in there.
when he said 4 people in the back. I don't know. I thought it was also in the back, but of course, the wreck. They can't get the driver.
Get farther back. No, don't go to the car. Your phone.
She said, "Put my phone." What? Kids. He's not going no faster. He trying, boy.
Driver's still in. Driver's still in the car.
I kind of want to fast forward and see what happened, y'all. Like this is crazy.
Ma'am, come on. Come on.
What is they trying to do?
Away from the car. Wait for it. This is the thing. I got everybody out of the car except the driver. Might be okay.
His foot is literally on the pedal. I mean, foot down on the pedal, like you could hear it.
The fuel and other motor fluids are highly flammable, and the fire could quickly intensify at any moment. The officers also need to rush the victims away from the toxic fumes released by the blaze.
Back, y'all.
exam allows for the officer to observe how the pupils react to light. The pupils should be equal in size, round and reactive to light and accommodation. Any
Right.
abnormalities could indicate a traumatic brain injury.
Equal pupil dilation. On her. Okay.
They can't get the driver out. I'm not trying to listen. This is, man. I don't be trying to say the wrong things when I be watching these type of videos, because it be a lot of people that have opinions on these type of videos, and you gotta respect it. But man, where's the sense of urgency? I gotta come on with the come on, man.
I know. Listen. Okay, sit down. I'm telling you to sit down. Listen. I know. I get you good. But take a seat. Take a seat. Now with you, okay? If anything hurts, help me, okay? Need help?
That's what I'm saying. Still one person in the vehicle, burning.
Try and get her. You walk. Get up. Let's walk over here away from the car, okay? Okay? What hurts? You don't know?
I didn't sit here for a minute and concentrate. Okay?
What?
Sit here for a minute and concentrate.
Okay, we gotta get away from this car, okay? Okay. So let's go over here, okay? Can you get up?
Wait, no. Just give me a minute, okay?
Okay. This car is on fire. It might explode, so we need to get away. Okay? You follow me? Yep. This way. We're gonna go to the ambulance, okay?
Y'all don't know what the hell going on. My boy did. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. My boy did have to break that glass to get him out, though. He did. He was trying. He was trying. All of them trying. I'm not gonna say that, but he was. Yeah, he was doing anything to get him out. That driver is still in the car, man. Like,
Okay. No, cut it. Got to break glass, get the people out. It's not bad. Are you the one to bust the windows out? No. Okay. Over there. Him and I helped. Did you see the car? No, I lived 2 blocks over. I heard those smoking a cigarette. Came down.
At this point, Officer Turvo seems to be experiencing shortness of breath and coughing, clear indicators of smoke inhalation.
That's gotta catch my breath.
You okay? Yeah. You checked out?
It's a small cut in his eyes. That's not bad.
I'm just gonna clean up real quick.
I'm letting them take care of that first. I'm good. Backseat. Driver's cage. Work on it. Work on it. We got better now. They gotta pick you up first. You guys want to start assessing?
I wanna go home and just ice cream. No, where's the other girl? She's right here. Where's the black girl?
Drive in the car.
here's the black guy.
My cousin, what happened?
This is Johnny's last name.
I don't know. It's so good. Oh, God. I wanna see that. I wanna see that.
Okay, they got him on.
I want to see that.
Well, I go from 1 to 0. Is he dead? It went from 1 to 0 when she said something about him being dead.
According to the Manchester Mirror, the 4 passengers, an 18, 19, and 2 15-year-olds, made a full recovery from their injuries. The driver, however, was pronounced dead at the
Damn.
scene. According to the Lansing State Journal, investigators believed that speed was a factor, but no cause of the crash was determined, and none of the passengers were charged with any crimes. Using Google Earth, we can estimate that the vehicle traveled 125 feet in 48 frames of video shot at 30 frames per second, or 1.6 seconds, for a speed of 53 miles per hour at the point of impact with the curb. For most modern vehicles, this would typically be a severe but survivable crash. It is unknown if the driver was wearing a seatbelt. Officer Turbo sustained cuts to his hands and suffered from smoke inhalation. For his decisive actions, Lansing PD awarded him the department's Medal of Honor Award.
Yeah, clap it up off of Turbo. I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name right, but yeah, man, he did, like, his sense of urgency was there. I mean, I feel like if he could have saved that driver, he would have. He was just submerged. That's what they said. He was stuck. So that's probably why they was moving like that. Who knows? But to my condolences to everybody in that car crash and their families and the one that lost their life too, because it's crazy.
Obviously, police officers get very minimal training.
Officer John. And that was a tragic video. Like I said a few seconds ago, man. Some of my condolences to everybody in that incident, man. Just families and everything too. Let me know how y'all feel in the comment section about this video, man. It was tragic, and yeah. And then make sure I hit that like and that subscribe button. Shit, without further ado, see y'all in the next video.